Is your YouTube channel suspended or scheduled to be deleted? If yes, the video for today is going to be very interesting for you because I'm going to show you two methods to appeal to YouTube so that they may just go ahead and unsuspend your account or not delete your account. Watch my video completely till the end. If you're watching my video for today, I'm very much sure your YouTube account is suspended or scheduled to be deleted. Well, I'm sorry about that, but YouTube would never ever do that without a proper reason. I mean, YouTube is also a website or a company, so as to say, who is into business. And these days, on each and every channel, whether it is monetized or not monetized, YouTube does put ads on the videos that you post. So they are also earning from those ads. So they would never ever just go ahead and suspend your channel or, maybe delete it just like that without a proper reason. But having said that, let me show you two appeal methods so that you may just get your channel back. So the first method is very simple and easy. When your channel is suspended or when it is about to be deleted, you get a communication email. So in that email itself, you may just get an appeal link or instructions what you need to do going further. So you could maybe just, reply to that email or click on that link or just follow instructions to appeal. In your appeal message, you should give all possible reasons as to why you are innocent, you haven't done anything wrong and stuff like that. Ensure you provide explanation about what you do, what your channel is all about, and you haven't done anything wrong and all these things. Do not get emotional and send them an email accordingly. You should give them a proper reason so that they could look into your account and see if they could not suspend your account or not delete your channel going further. Because if you have a YouTube channel and it gets deleted, I know the pain. Okay, I had a lot of YouTube channels in the past. Channels got deleted, and one specific channel I used to earn a lot and I used to help people, but unfortunately that channel was deleted. I got that channel back after almost like 8 to 9 months or something, but it was demonetized and stuff like that. So I know how it feels when your channel is deleted. And when you are super honest and when you're making videos the proper way, you haven't done anything wrong, it's horrible. You don't feel good. But let me tell you this, that YouTube is the only social media platform that is actually humane. To be very honest with you, because it's not like, other social media platforms wherein, they just go ahead and suspend your account. That's it. And they're not helping you. They're not reinstating your account even after multiple appeals. YouTube would look into the matter. When you email them or when you follow instructions on that email, you get a proper communication from a rep out there or a customer support executive. They're going to help you. They're going to speak to you via emails and they're going to see if they could reinstate your account and stuff like that. They're very helpful. All right. Now, if the first method is not working for you, what you could do is go ahead and get in touch with YouTube on Twitter. This is something that has been effective for a lot of people, but do this only if YouTube is not communicating with you or you're getting automated responses or whatever may be the reason. Just log into your Twitter account and just do a search for Team YouTube out there. Just type in @Team YouTube. You click on the first suggestion out here with the yellow tick and then you tweet out here accordingly. My YouTube channel was suspended for no reason. Please help. And then you post the tweet, right? These guys are going to get notified and I'm very much sure you're going to get help. Apart from that, what you could also do is just do a search for YouTube directly out here. Get onto their official page and you could maybe just go ahead and post a comment in their latest tweet or post. You could just click on the message box and then post your reply out here. Just tell them that your account was suspended, you need help, and reply. That's it. You're definitely going to get a response from these guys. They're amazing. Okay, they're going to help you. Remember, if you haven't done anything wrong, if you have proper proof of whatever you're doing and stuff like that, YouTube is definitely going to work with you to see if they could, unsuspend your account. Don't worry about it. All right. Give my video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon. Take care, my friend.